how to close Waze app on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, are you having problem exiting the Waze app? Then you're in the right place. So, what you can do is you can see a straight black line on the bottom. You just have to long press on it and swipe the screen up, and then you can just swipe up. So there you go, the app has been closed. But if that is not possible, then go to settings and then tap on general, then go to iPhone storage and now search for Waze app. So tap on show all and then search for the Waze app. And once you find it, you just need to tap on it. So now you'll need to tap on offload app, and offloading Waze will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So you can tap on offload app and then you can again reinstall it again. So all the errors and glitches will be fixed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.